All right, let's have some fun with landforms. So you notice I'm in my Google. I'm already signed into my Google account because here's my picture. I'm gonna click on my waffle and I'm gonna scroll down a little ways until I see Earth. Click Earth. Now Google Earth is a big program, so it takes it a few minutes to load. You have to be patient. But what we're gonna do is see if we can find a landform close to where we live. If you want to zoom around and explore, you can find one somewhere in Fleming County or somewhere in Kentucky, or you can go out on a limb and go exploring somewhere else if you'd like, but make sure you can name a landform. So notice that it takes Google Earth a little bit to load. Be patient with Google Earth because it's huge, but it's really cool to play with. See, loading. Told you gotta have patience. Or waiting on it to load. This is going to be a page in your science journal. So you're going to go to your drive and find your science journal that you started back last semester. So what I'm going to do, I've already been searching around. So I'm going to click the magnifying glass over here on the corner, just search. And I just typed in my address, my regular address. And there's an overview of where I live. And I can zoom in and I can look around and use your mouse. Actually, right here, that's my garage, and right here's my house. But I see lots of landforms. If I look back here in the back, right here, I see a mountain. There's a mountain behind my house. If I scroll in a little bit, or I went out, didn't I? There's the mountain. Over here's water. Right here, it has a lake and lots of tributaries going from the lake. But scroll around and explore and see what you can find, and find a landform that's close to your house. Or if you want to look around somewhere else, maybe in Kentucky or wherever. But I'm going to zoom back into mine and I'm going to focus on this mountain. There are lots of little creeks around here, but I want this mountain. So when you find what you want, take a snip. Remember, if you're on a laptop or a desktop, you have a snipping tool, which you find by going down here to the search and just type in snipping tool and it will come up. If you're on a Chromebook, you use that key combination, Control, Shift, and the page turner key at the top to get your snipping tool. I want a new snip. And I'm just going to take a snip right here. Then I'm going to go to Edit and Copy. Then I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. And I'm going to look in my Drive or in my slides, either place, and find my old science journal that I've been working on. Open a new page. Right-click and paste the image that I had. And then I just want you to tell me a little bit about your landform. What kind of landform is it? How do you think it was created? Do you think weathering or erosion or deposition had anything to do with it? But just the main part is putting a snip of your landform. Tell me what kind of landform it is and how you think it was made. But have fun exploring around with Google Earth. It's a really cool tool. And then when you finished, just put the link to your science journal in the assignment.